Many parents miss that stage of communicate with children when they give the phone.
How you think that current parents actually come to this gadget managed in digital parenting, we call it? What have you observed? Can you share with us?
Many parents miss that stage of communicate with children when they give the phone. When they are at standard 3 and 4, they are actually don't have so much idea of what is the phone can be used. So I will guide them into these directions, how to use your phone to do research and how to categorize it, so that in future you can look at your phone to look for the things that you wanted to draw or paint. I will also advise them not to spend too long hours on watching the YouTube and all that. The phone is for you to use when you want to do research, when you want to do some reading. So you can give me your email address. I can send you some link where you can download some free books or you can buy some ebooks. So I encourage them to read from the phone. But still, many of them were playing games. So what I do is, again, I come back to the rule and regulations. I will take your phone. So I will always walk past the class, and if I see anyone doesn't pay attention when teacher is teaching or they are holding their phone, I will smile and say, "Sorry, excuse me," and then I will just put in my apron. So that is, like we say, discipline. Yeah, I come back to the very bottom is your attitude, your discipline, and your behavior that will drive you where you go.